Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2009 on a 59 plate Jaguar XF. This is the luxury specification with the 3 litre V6 turbo diesel, automatic gearbox, finished in the Lunar grey metallic, and it's covered just 47,000 miles. Let's have a good walk around of this luxury Jag diesel, 240 brake horsepower. Just 47,000 miles, 2 owners from new. We just purchased the car off a local couple who've only had the car a few months. They bought it as a stopgap after ordering a brand new car that didn't have a lead time on it, so they bought this as an in-betweenie, and it's come into us and it's absolutely lovely, it has to be said. 47,000 miles, 11 service stamps in the book, 10 of which from Jaguar Main dealers, HA Fox, Inchcape. There's also a documented cam belt and water pump replacement in 2018. Super looking alloy wheels that are very, very tidy indeed. Michelin Tyres all the way around. Looks superb in the grey. And obviously with the luxury spec that it has, really nicely appointed. So we'll take a look inside. Black leather trim, bolsters all good, leather centre armrest, walnut and silver dash, electronically adjustable. Got the Jaguar embossed into the kick plates there, which is nice. Out over to the door cards. Lovely and tidy. 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable door mirrors. Just make your way inside. You've got a boot release, fog lights. Then you've got these, that's where your fans, and they swivel around when you put the ignition on, which is quite cool. Up onto the steering wheel, again, very tidy. You've got your cruise control. Then you've got your radio controls, voice recognition. There's your leather centre armrest, like I say. You've got some storage in there with an auxiliary and 12-volt socket. You've got your cup holders. You've got your cigarette lighter. You've got automatic lights, flappy paddles for the gearbox as well if you're feeling a bit racy. 2 remote keys, and you've got your hat and books in the glove box. What else am I forgetting? Everything. It's Friday afternoon. You've got your steering wheel, electronic adjustment on that, and then to start the car, foot on the brake, and away we go. Winter mode confirmed. Yes, very cold. 47,021 is the current mileage, and then you've got this lovely setup across here. Really like that. Electronic handbrake, of course. And then you've got your touchscreen system up above, so it does have satellite navigation. Yes, thank you. There's your sat nav, and then you've got this little home button if you need to go back to the start. So you've got your radio, your climate control, your Bluetooth. I won't go through it all, you'll be bored to death, but if I put the car into reverse, nice reversing camera at the back. Does also have front and rear parking sensors as well, so really no excuses for bashing it. Just a lovely place to be. Really nice setup. As a Jag should be. I was trying to hold that in, but I couldn't help myself. Into the rear. Got your carpet mats. Again, lovely and tidy. 3 proper seat belts, 3 headrests, so of course you can comfortably fit 5. That central seat, there's a little armrest that pops down with a couple of cup holders, and you've got your ISOFIX for the child seats. Electric windows in the back. And I'll just pop the boot release and we'll have a little look in there as well. There we go. Really good sized boot. Of course it's a saloon, so you haven't got the massive height, but really good size. Underneath all that, you've got an inflation kit. And that is pretty much that for a Friday afternoon job. 2009 on a 59 plate Jag XF Luxury, 3 litre diesel, 47,000 miles, 2 owners from new, 11 service stamps in the book including the cam belt. Finance available from £250 a month with a 10% deposit. And the car will come supplied with a fresh MOT, 2 remote keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, please do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Lovely looking car, great price point. One not to be missed, I don't think. Have a lovely weekend.